start from nursery class. The first game was crawling the race. First prize goes to Shreyansh Rawat. Shreyansh Rawat. Second prize goes to Samridh Tyagi. Third prize goes to Shaurya Patwar.
Second, 5 seconds.
Shaurya Patwar. The next game is pick up the object and run. First prize goes to Shreyansh Rawat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Second prize goes to Shaurya Patwar. And third prize goes to Sia Sharma. Please clap for them. The third game was action with music. First prize goes to Ariba Noor. Second prize goes to Shreyansh Rawat. And third prize goes to Samridh Tyagi.
Third.
Now class LKG.
Samridh, look here.
First game running race. First prize goes to Mohammad Hassan. Second rank goes to Bhavya Fulara. And the third prize goes to Gaurav Best. And the next game is target throwing. First prize goes to Aditya Bhatt. Second prize goes to Himanshi Bistania. And the third prize goes to Prisha Mia. Third game next game, river bank game. First prize goes to Gaurav Best. Second prize goes to Soumya Tiwari. And the third prize goes to Himanshi Bistania. Now UKG class. Balloons game. First prize goes to Divyansh Joshi. Second prize goes to Adina. Third prize goes to Bhumika Rawat. The second game is running race. First prize goes to Ehtesham Raza. Second prize goes to Aryan Kujur. Third prize goes to Divyansh Joshi. Now next game is frog race. First prize goes to Ehtesham Raza. Second prize goes to Aryan Kujur. And third prize goes to Divyansh Joshi. Now class 1. First game race. First prize goes to Manan Singh Mehra. Now may I request our principal sister. Yes. First prize goes to Manan Singh Mehra. Second prize goes to Second prize goes to Arpit Singh and the third prize goes to Sneha. Second game was one leg race. First prize goes to Manan Singh Mehra. Second prize goes to Divyanshi Mehra and the third prize goes to Sanchit Rawat.
Divyansh.
And the third game was frog race. First prize goes to Divyanshi Dorvi. Second prize goes to Arpit Singh and the third prize goes to Manan Singh Mehra. Now class second. The first game, pass and collect bangles with straw. First prize goes to Jaiti Padalia. Second prize goes to Harshita and third prize goes to Ansh Kumar. The second game is spoon and lemon. First prize goes to Karthike. Second prize goes to Mohammad Arsh. Third prize goes to Vartika Jalal. The third game is running race. First prize goes to Bhargav Tamta. Second prize goes to Mohammad Arsh. And third prize goes to Jaiti Padalia. Thank you so much, sister.
Now the most awaited prizes are coming. What is that? Loud. Houses. So I congratulate all of you along with your teacher animators, captains, vice captains and all of you my dear students. You have done well. You have done well. We had very short time, but within that short time you have really showed your talents on the field. I'm really happy, proud of you, and I know that coming years you will do more better than this year. So are you all happy? Okay, so I'm going to announce the winners of the academic year 2021 to 22. So we had few games, all of you have really enjoyed, but the winners will be only one. Are you ready? The fourth consolation prize goes to Consolation 1 goes to Red House. Consolation 1 goes to Red House.
Listen students, we have all the items, we have put the points, okay? So group will get the prize. Individual games you know, who gets the points, you already know it, okay? Now, then march past, first point goes to blue house and the second goes to the yellow house and third goes for two houses, red and green. Blue first. March past, blue first, yellow second and red and green third. Now total points, no, there are 86 points, two houses, that is blue house and red houses. So both of them get consolation prizes. Okay? Two consolation prizes. That is one small shield and some gift. So I invite your house captain and all team members to the stage along with the teacher animator. Come. Blue house come first. Blue house come, followed by red. After blue, red. Okay? Come. This is Ramit, your teacher. Look front.
Because their photos are not coming.
Prachi ma'am.
Hold it properly, dear. Yes. Manvi, hold it properly. Otherwise, yes, Alankrita, hold it properly. Alankrita, hold it properly. Alankrita. For the photo. Smile.
Very good performance. Okay? Others academic year 2021-22. Please come over the stage. Yellow house. They have scored 179 points, 179 points. All the best, all of you. Line up in two lines. Line up in two lines.
Aditi ka come forward.
Don't that much friend.
Shift here. Vijay.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.